So dear student, in this video we'll discuss the question number 26 to question number 50. So first is question number 26. So one of the earliest mentioned Bharat Barsha seen in the writing of the Ptolemy, the writing of the Phaeon, the Hathigumpa inscription and Ajanta caves. So the answer is actually the Hathigumpa inscription of King Kharavada in 1st century BC. Okay? So this is what the answer. So next is which place is known as the city of caves. So this is Gharpuri. The answer is D, Gharpuri. So the Elephanta Island or Gharpuri literal means the city of caves is in Mumbai harbor 10 kilometers. So east of the Mumbai, India state of Maharashtra में मिलता है. So this is what called Elephanta cave. So this is the image of Elephanta cave. You can see it. So very important for UPSC also. So next is Kataka cave referred to among Hathigumpa and Rani Gumpa, then Kumari Parvata, then Alakapuri Gumpha. So this three statement is correct. So answer is P, Q, R, but not A. So this is here given the explanation. Please go through this explanation. You will understand better. So to get this PDF, you can join our Telegram channel, given the link below. So you can join that. So next is Kalinga prize is given for. So Kalinga prize is given for, it is not the scientist. It is clearly written in the document that achievement of a science popularizer. Okay? It is not given to the scientist. It is clearly written in the document, government document. Okay? So please be careful. So next is the achievement of the Pandit Gopabandhu Das in the field of national movement. ठीक है, साइंस में आई डोंट थिंक एनी कंट्रीब्यूशन है. सो मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर इज नेशनल मूवमेंट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज जीरो कैजुअलिटी एट एनी कॉस्ट इज प्राइमरीली फॉलोड बाय United Nations no, NATO no, it is the government of Odisha, because government of Odisha is known for its cyclone management and zero casualty approach. ठीक है. So next question is the Poros is said to be gifted Alexander a block of steel. So it is already given the detail of your explanation. Please go through this explanation, you will understand better. So next is the famous architecture Bishu Maharana is associated with. You know about the Sun Temple story of Konark, so the Dharmapada story, so you know that. So it is associated with Sun Temple at Konark. So next is at the end of the civil disobedience movement, Gandhiji took out Padya Yatra against the untouchability. His first Padya Yatra was undertaken in 1934 in Jharsuguda. The answer is C, that is Jharsuguda. So in 1934, Gandhiji began his celebrated Padya Yatra with missions of horizon upliftment and abolition of untouchability. Okay? He visited Odisha twice in his connection. First in 5th May 1934, he addressed gathering at Jharsuguda and Sambalpur. Okay. The next is question number 35. The infamous Rowlatt Act was opposed by Indian because it provided for the trying of sedition cases without a jury or holding suspect jail without trial. This is the most appropriate answer. So answer is A. So please go through the provision of the Rowlatt Act. You will understand better. So to download this PDF, you can click the Telegram link given below. So download that. Which of the following bauxite deposit is considered as the largest one in the India? It is the Panchpatmali deposit of Odisha, which is largest deposit of bauxite. Which state share the Tungabhadra multi-purpose project? So it is the Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So answer is A. The Tungabhadra project located in Bellary district of Karnataka is a collaborative project of government of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. The dam is constructed across Tungabhadra river in Krishna. Tungabhadra is a tributary of Krishna. So next is match the list 1 with list 2. Select the correct answer given below. So Chinook is the local wind of USA. So Sirco is the local wind of Africa. Then Brickfield is Australia. The Mistral is Europe. So answer is A. Okay? Answer is A. Chinook USA, Sirco Africa, Brickfielder is Australia, then Mistral is Europe. Okay? So next is only landlocked country in Southeast Asia. It is the Laos. So here you can see the map of Laos. Laos is the only landlocked country of Southeast Asia. Remaining all countries are not a landlocked country. Okay? So next is match the list 1 with the list 2. So given some of the provinces of the Australia and important cities. So you can see here clearly the Queensland is capital of the Brisbane. So here it is Brisbane. So here it is Queensland. Okay? So next is the Southern Australia coastal capital is Adelaide. Okay? Southern Australia here and capital is Adelaide here. Okay? So next is Victoria capital is Melbourne. So here it is Victoria and capital is Melbourne, ठीक है. So next is the Western Australia capital is Kalgoorlie, ठीक है. So Western Australia, I think it is not the capital Australia so it is the Western Australia, here it is Kalgoorlie is given na, ठीक है. So this is the most appropriate match, so answer is C. So answer is C. So next is which of the following species an example of extinct species. So this is Asian cheetah, black buck, crocodile and Indian wild ass. So most appropriate answer is Asian cheetah. So Asian cheetah is critically endangered, not extinct. It is survive in small number in Iran. ठीक है. So and black buck not extinct in Iran, but if you look into Indian context, so actually they are extinct from India. So I don't know on what context OPS is asking this kind of question. So it should be which one of the species is an example of extinct species from India. This is the most appropriate question. So I don't know how they are asking this question. So then black buck is not extinct, it is classified as list concern, IUCN list. So crocodile, you know, generalized crocodile is inaccurate, most crocodile species are extinct, ठीक है. So बहुत सारे मिलते हैं, तो you know that. And then Indian wild ass, so it is also near threatened, so it's available lots in number. So cheetah, Asiatic cheetah is one of that extinct in India, making it a clear choice between distinction. So question should be include which of the following species extinct from India. It should not be generalized statement, okay. So that means there is need more clarity in the question. So while making the question, so they might miss something, okay. So next question is question number 42. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? So June, midday sun over at Tropic of Cancer, it is correct. So December, midday sun over at Tropic of Capricorn, it's also correct. Then March, midday sun overhead the equator, yes, it's also correct. So September, mid sun overhead of the Arctic Circle, no, it is not correct. So you can see here, a different time, location and the position of the sun. So it is in December over the Tropic of Capricorn, it is in the June over the Tropic of Cancer. So in March it is in the equator, in September it is in the equator, okay. So different name, please go through this PDF, you'll understand all these things, okay. And next question is question number 43. Which one of the following term describe not only the physical shape occupied by an organism but also functional role play in the community of organization? This is the clear definition of ecological niche, okay. Definition of ecological niche. In grassland, tree do not replace the grasses as part of ecological succession because of limits of like water limits and fire. So in grassland, tree do not replace grasses, ecological succession primarily factor like fire, grazing and water availability, okay. So this is what most appropriate answer. So next is question number 45. With reference to the food chain in ecosystem, which of the following kind of organism are known as decomposer? ठीक है. सो decomposer, those who break down the dead material, or you can say at the end of the product to simple component. In food chain, decomposer are organism that break down dead plant, animal and other organic matter into simpler substances, recycling nutrient back into the ecosystem. So the primary decomposer includes bacteria, fungus and detrivorous, ठीक है. So next question number 46. So here answer is B, that is fungi, bacteria, 2 and 3, ठीक है. So which of the following is the process involved in the photosynthesis? So photosynthesis, you know that tree takes water, sunlight and carbon dioxide to make food and store that food. So potential energy is released in the form of free energy. No, this is not correct. The free energy is converted into potential energy and store. Yes, this is what happened actually. The free energy in terms of light, you can say, or other component it takes by the tree and make some food, and that food is stored in the you can say leaf, fruits. So this is the most appropriate answer. So answer is B. Then next is consider the following statement: carbon dioxide, then oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur. Which of the above are emission from the combustion of thermal power plant? So all the three emit by thermal power plant, that include carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter. Then even mercury also emitted by the thermal power plant. Volatile organic component is also emitted. So answer is D, that is all the three, A, B, that is 1 and 2 and 3. So next question, which of the following earthquake wave are more destructive at the epicenter? So like if it is earthquake occur, then around the epicenter most destructive is L wave, lob wave. Okay, it is a purely shear wave. So you can see this is the destruction caused by P wave, destruction caused by S wave, destruction of relay wave, and the lob wave. Lob wave is most destructive wave. Okay, so next is Zoom cultivation is known as Kurua. In which region or state? It is in the Jharkhand. So term Kurua refer to the traditional form of shifting cultivation commonly known as Zoom, practiced in certain part of India. Okay, so there are different name in different places, so please go through this PDF, you'll understand that. The next is match the following. So first is Loess. You know that Loess is because of wind. Then Moraine is because of